There's a pool, heated at 95 degrees, and you can't hear me because there's a jet taking off. Said, oh, they got signs everywhere.
24 hours. Right above Paris Cafe is going to be open until 10 for dinner. And then up the stairs, you're going to see the Sunken Lounge, which is open until 10 for food, 11 for drinks. Okay. We also have Connie, the airplane outside, which is now large. She'll be open from 4 to 10.
So this is 2 queen bedroom with a view.
Oh, it's hard and I like it.
More comfortable than what it was.
Yeah.
It's very warm in here, but luckily they got air conditioning.
Yeah.
And a pretty decent sized room, as you can see.
Yeah.
So 2 queens, a nice sized TV,
Look at this
an old style phone. That's pretty cool.
Phone.
Got a little fridge there. And then a nice, pretty modern little bathroom with some TWA soap.
Oh, it goes that way.
You don't even remember.
I don't remember. I was thinking it went that way.
It's been so long since anybody's had to use a rotary phone.
Going dark.
What an awesome hotel. Can't recommend this place enough. If you're gonna be in the JFK area, if you're flying to JFK or flying out of JFK and you need a place to stay.
Especially if you have an early flight.
Yeah,
that's the
especially.
biggest thing. If you have an early flight, you want to be in this hotel.
Right. A little bit more expensive, but I guarantee you, I'm telling you right now, there's no place that I would rather stay. We have a 7:30 a.m. flight tomorrow, and if we had to get on a subway or a cab or whatever from mid-Manhattan, no way.
Well, we wouldn't do the subway.
Yeah,
There's no way.
No, not
because we would have to do that at, I don't know, between 2 and 4 a.m., somewhere in there, to get here in time.
So relaxing to know that we don't have to deal with any of that stress.
And one thing that's also we noticed is cool is a lot of the pilots and flight attendants are staying here at this hotel.
Yeah.
So we've seen them come in with all their luggage. You know, you can see their badges, so you know who they are, and they're excited to stay here. They're all taking photos of the different things that we're taking photos of.
Right.
So it's pretty cool to see that other people, especially them, that they're excited to be in this hotel.
So this is one of their hidden alcoves. So as you walk through the hotel, they've got a couple different hidden things where you can just come here and look at some old antique stuff, have a seat, kick back. Hey, look, Etch-a-Sketch. Who remembers an Etch-a-Sketch?
I think my parents.
Comment below if you remember ever playing with an Etch-a-Sketch. We're in the photo booth. Okay, go ahead, do it.
We want a black and white.
No, I want both.
Look here.
Okay. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
5 o'clock in the morning, getting ready to catch the flight. Just wanted to give a quick last review of the TWA Hotel. Nice stay. Big room, air conditioned. The night shades work perfect. They just come right down the crease, so literally no light gets in here. You can't hear any planes. The runways are, half a mile away, and they don't run, all night. Most flights leave around 11 o'clock. That's usually the latest they tend to go out, but you can't hear any planes anyway. So excellent stay. So highly recommend if you are going to be staying at JFK or near JFK, think about staying here at the TWA Hotel instead of staying off property. It's just going to be so much more convenient for you, and I guarantee you're going to love just staying here. It's just a cool experience for the money. It's more than worth that because you're going to pay pretty close to this anyway to stay off property, and all the area that you're going to stay in isn't going to be the best, and then you're going to have to transfer. So
right, and this morning from here we just hop on a little shuttle like what we came in. We've got one more stop and we're at our terminal.
Yeah,
so
she
it's
said
that
10
easy,
minutes.
and it's complimentary because we've already paid to get in here, and so it's you can't beat that for the convenience. You already have the added stress of the flight, so having this no stress here is awesome.
Hope you guys enjoyed our review of TWA Hotel, and see you next time.
See ya.